Hi, this is Sarah Young from ArticleIncomeBlueprint.com. Today is an exciting day because we are actually going to start working on selling something. Today we're going to look for a product or two that we can sell online. You should be familiar with this already. This is the Amazon bestsellers page. We're going to look at the categories down here and start drilling down to get to a subcategory. I'm going to go with baby. And watch how I do this so you can do it too for your own product. Okay, now I'm going to drill down and I'm going to pick health and baby care. And I'm going to drill down even further and pick humidifiers and vaporizers. Now the first thing that I want to do before I even start looking for a product to sell is to see if people are buying humidifiers and vaporizers right now. So I'm going to go to the Insights tool, which you should also be familiar with right now. Here we are, and we're going to type in humidifier, and if you click here you can add another search term, and we'll put in vaporizer. Let's do a search. Okay, humidifier is blue, and we see that humidifier peaks around November and December. In January it's still high, February it's already medium, and then it goes down. Well, since it's pretty high in November, December, and I'm recording this video in the beginning of November, well actually it's almost mid-November, so humidifier would be a good thing to go for. And I'm going to go back to Amazon and pick a humidifier. Okay, so I'm going to look for a humidifier that's over $50. It's just my preference to work with something that costs over $50 because then my commission is a little bit higher than it would be otherwise. So let's choose something for over $50. Alright, okay, we see this AeroSwiss ultrasonic humidifier, 4 stars, and price and 164 customer reviews. That looks good to me. So this is a possible product. Just going to scroll down a little bit more and see if there's something I like better. This one, the Graco 4-gallon cool mist humidifier, should also be a good one. Again, 4 stars, 26 customer reviews, and $66. And that's it. So I'm going to go back up to the first humidifier that I saw that I liked. Here it is. And now I'm going to go to the Google keyword tool to see if people are looking on Google for this humidifier. So I'm just going to copy and paste. This is the product name. Now I want to think, what would people type into Google when looking for this product? They might not be typing AeroSwiss AOS ultrasonic humidifier. They might just be looking for AeroSwiss humidifier or AOS humidifier or AeroSwiss 7135 or even AOS 7135. These are all people looking for exactly this product. You need to use your brain a bit to come up with these words, but the more you do it, the easier it will be for you. Just think what somebody might call this product besides the name that Amazon gave it. Usually Amazon gives it a long name. See if you can come up with something shorter that somebody might use to get to look for this product. Now let's see if we're getting some searches here on Google for this product, because remember, people are going to find us via Google. They might also use other search engines, but whatever works for Google usually works for the other search engines as well, so we don't even need to worry about them. Let's click on Get Keyword Ideas and we'll see what happens. Wow, look how many searches. A lot of people are looking for this product. Let's change match type to exact so we can see the exact things that people are typing, and click on global monthly search volume to sort it by the global monthly search volume. And now we're ready to do some competition search. So I copied this into Google and I got 571,000 searches. That is too high for us. Let me just mention something important. On the top right of your screen, when you're in Google, you'll have a link that says settings. You can't see it here, but I am going to click it, search settings, and you want to make sure that you change the settings to 100. The default is 10, change it to 100. A lot of people don't do that. It's a big mistake because when you have it set to 10 results, the number of results you get is just wrong. And I don't know why Google has this mistake in its software. Maybe it's on purpose, who knows? But it's a big mistake that people are making. Always make sure you display 100 results per page, and when you are done, you save the preferences and you can go back to your search. As I said, 571,000 is too much. Let's try the next one. And you see there are different products here that come up. If you want, you can decide to switch products and to go for another product. I'm going to stick with this one because I see a lot of keywords for it. It looks good. Okay, 69. Now we're going to do the in title, in anchor trick that I showed you in part 1. And we get 2 results. 2 results is very good. It is pretty close to 0. We're going to open a notepad file and we're going to put this keyword in a notepad file for future use. Let's try the next one. $34,000, forget it, it's too much for us. Let's try the next one. 92, and now we're going to try the in title, in anchor trick. Okay, we have 3 results, and that is good as well. So we're going to put that in our notepad file as well. Next. 29, very nice. In title, in anchor. Whoa, this one doesn't have any. Perfect for us. $25. Also doesn't have any. That's also a good keyword. And you can just keep going like this. I would go all the way down to this line, and then I personally wouldn't go any lower than that because I like having at least 100 monthly searches. So this is how we do the keyword research for our product. And the one more thing that I want to do just to be sure is to go to Google Insights for search. Here we are. And I would like to enter our product here, AOS 7135. And let's see if people are searching on it, just to be sure. And yeah, this is the right time of year. November, December, January, a little bit in February, great. So we're going to be able to go ahead with this keyword and write articles for it. This has been part 2 of lesson 5. In part 3, I'm going to do keyword research for yet another product so you can get a better understanding of the process. I'll see you there. This has been Sarah Young from ArticleIncomeBlueprint.com.